going to cover two questions, questions 3 and 4. And mostly because Delta Math does not have a specific set of skills for what we've asked. All right. So the first thing is that for question 3, we're going to go ahead and give you the slope and the y-intercept. So if I give you a slope and a y-intercept, that's what the sentence is going to give you. A slope and a y-intercept. You should automatically know, all right, I can write if it's slope-intercept form, I'm going to use the equation y equals mx plus b. So that means that the slope is m and the y-intercept is b. So whatever the numbers are, you then plug it into the equation. So if the slope is 3 and the y-intercept is 5, the equation is y equals 3x plus 5. If the slope is -2 and the y-intercept is 0, the equation will be y equals -2x plus 0. If the equation, or if the slope is 1/2 and the y-intercept is -3, the equation becomes y equals 1/2 x plus a -3. Now, you could change this around to y equals 1/2 x minus 3. These are equivalent. But that's all you do for question 3, is you recognize that the slope is your m and that the b is your y-intercept, and you plug them into the equation. Okay, now for question 4, you have to do a little bit of work first. So you have to identify what is the slope and what is the y-intercept before you do anything. So the y-intercept is always where the line crosses the y-axis. So the b is -1. The m, we just did practice skills from you go up and to the right. So again, you go up and to the right. How many boxes did I go up? I went up 1. How many boxes did I go to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So then our equation is going to be y equals 1/4 x minus 1. Y equals 1/4 x, make sure that you move your cursor over, minus 1, or plus a -1. Okay. So again, you always start by trying to find your m and your b. The b is where the line crosses the y-axis at -7. The slope, you always start at a point and go up and to the right. Up and to the right. It doesn't matter which points you go to. You simply then count 1, 2, 3, 4. We went up 4, to the right 3. So because I have a slope of 4/3 and a b of -7, my equation becomes y equals 4/3 x minus 7. Or plus a -7. Y equals 4/3, right arrow, x plus a -7. That's it for questions 3 and 4.